Hi everyone, now I'm doing the introduction of my System 1. The sustainable development goal I have choice is 11, sustainable city and community to make city and human living environment inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. Today, more than half of the world population living in the city, and the COVID-19 pandemic have highlighted the importance of the sustainable urban development. Over the past few decades, China have experienced a rapid urbanization expansion. The urban population increased from 36% in 2000 year to 65% and now. However, within rapid urbanization, physical and mental health problems have become a reality. The urban green coverage rate of China is only 41%. And in my hometown, it is a small city that attracts a lot of rural residents. About 17% population is over 60 years old, near the moderate population aging state set by the World Health Organization. The aging population will increase impede social society production and development in the future. Insufficient green space and accommodate social activities for the elderly will result the reason in mental health issue among the elderly and a range of several social problems. The problem space include place, target people, causes, and challenges. The stakeholders include the elderly and the children, community and the government, and the healthcare provider. The precedent include home farm in Singapore. It is a concept that combines patient apartment with vertical urban agriculture. It can improve the resilience of the food supply and generate income for all people. Second is knowledge and innovation community garden in Shanghai. Resident participation in garden construction, management of the garden. It transforms urban wasteland into a public space that meets the community needs and desires. Now the studio has support and built more than 100 community garden in Shanghai. Third one is a massive university rooftop farmer in Thailand. On the multifunction terrace roof, the sustainable development goals such as energy generation, water resource, and organic waste management have been achieved. Persona, and next is potential scenario. The first one is when the city lacks enough green space, the heat island effect will endanger to health of citizens and then put pressures on the healthcare system. See from future is our space machine and warmth. The vertical farm is the most effective way to increase urban generally and combat urban climate change. The family vertical farm and vertical net cover building system can increase the moment of the urban green canopy, mediating the microclimate of the community. Second is when the home planting is a population activity for elderly, but the limited activity space in apartment community will not be able to meet the needs of the elderly. So result the rapid conflict in when using the public space. And the thing from future are entertainment, plant, nostalgia. I try to design the boundary less garden, which is different with the roof garden and or community garden, because it will remove the community wall to try to connect the public walkway. It will attract the government attention and support as a sustainable community. The third one is elderly people with limited mobility can only go to the nearest public space. In the future, the limited green space will not be able to accommodate all citizens, and the lack of social contract will increase the number of isolated old people. So things from future are agriculture, map, and serenity. I try to design the green map app, which can assist the elderly to discover available public green space or community garden, and then can make friends, find cheap volunteers, and share plenty experience or learning the social skill on this app. Yeah, that's all.